Okay guys, check it out. I got another quick video here for you as always. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We've got the car all cleaned up. But I wanna make a few little changes here. Can you spot it? What about this over here? Something doesn't just quite fit in. Got all the nice black accents and then we got these chrome Toyota logos, symbols that just aren't doing the car justice right now. Come around back here, same thing goes. Logo over here and these two over there. So I got something today that's gonna fix that. So let's go ahead, have a look inside the car and see what we got here. Okay guys, check it out. Here's the part numbers here, because I know you're gonna ask me for that. As you can see, it's a genuine Toyota part here. They make it real simple. We'll pull it out and have a look and see what we got here. In this particular kit, it's a 5-piece kit. I just wanna make one note here for you guys. Just make sure when you are ordering it, that part number is specific to my car, meaning that it is an all-wheel drive and it is an XSE. You can also order these for non-all-wheel drive vehicles, as well as the other options too for your LEs and XLEs. So let's go ahead and get this started. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have a nice clean surface to work with. Obviously the car's been washed. We're going to go ahead and use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on here to make sure that we do get all that dirt and grease off here. Should feel a nice sticky surface when you're done here. You can hear that. Give it a minute to dry. Okay, so as you guys can see on the back here, Toyota makes this real simple. You're gonna pull this back layer off here. It's gonna be a real sticky tape on the back. So let's pull that tape off evenly. Now there's no way to get this wrong. Match this up right over the decal, or like it's a decal. Place it over top. Make sure you got a nice alignment. And now you're gonna wanna press evenly all the way around here. And just like that, the first one's done. Okay, let's get the backside all cleaned up. You know you're removing all that oil and grease where you can hear that it's squeaky clean. I don't know if you guys can hear that, which is pretty squeaky. Okay, we'll give that a moment to dry and we'll come back. Okay guys, again, same as the front. We're gonna go ahead, evenly pull off the back. Make sure you get all that red removed. Simple application here again. Press on right over top, get the alignment straight. And you are good. Same thing's gonna go for the HEV here. Pull the back of the tape off here. Make sure you got it all off, it's exposed. Line everything up. And press that on. Okay, last but not least. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the whole job, but I just want to show you sort of the fit and finish. How nice that these actually are. I mean, they are butted right up against the body line here. Just perfect. You can look to see how everything is nicely aligned. All the chrome is completely covered. Very impressed. So what do you think? That really finishes the car off quite nicely. For detail, it's very subtle, very simple job too, mind you. But man, look at the lines on this thing. Don't have to do too much to this car to make it look pretty. And look at the back tail section. Man, does that look good. For both angles over here. Whew. Hey guys, kind of an apology part of my video here. I just wanted to say sorry for filming in such windy conditions. It couldn't be possibly any windier than what I was filming in today, so hopefully you guys heard me okay. But I just want to talk briefly about those pieces. If you're thinking about do it, especially on a white car or a light colored car, even if it's a black car. But on my car particularly, wow, do those things really pop. I do like the chrome normally, but on this particular car, I love the black accents. So tell me what you think. Tell me if you liked it. But beyond that, again, the fit and finish for an OEM Toyota part, you can't beat it. So thanks for watching, and we will see you at the next one. Take care.